Zone 4. Get money. New money. This is what you been waiting on. Hey.
Rich boy, sell it quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, sell it quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bitch. God's plan. I can't do that. Might go down to
on here. Put some light here. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Man, so I did promise you guys 3 videos, and so the first video I had kind of already made. The second one was supposed to do. I was supposed to do that like the next day after I recorded the recent video I posted. And dude, out of nowhere, I was at LA Fitness, shooting around, hooping, and I played a couple of games, and boom, I caught the flu. I have never ever had body aches until now, and so man, I've just been trying to recover for the past 2 weeks. Still, yeah, that flu was really bad. I'm like pretty much 98% better now. But the first video I definitely wanted to show you guys, it was a hypebeast box that all the YouTubers been doing, and so I found this company that's kind of like low-key that kind of does it, and so I wanted to try it out, and so I bought a $1,700 box, and so let me show you guys the past and show you guys the box that I got, because in honest opinion, it was terrible. So yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Northwest Kicks. Yes, I'm back at it again, and this is going to be my first BeaterBox series of the series, so let's get started. So right off the bat, I see some shoes, and I'll basically have it in this column or this column the price of the shoe that's it's going for the market right now. And so yeah, so for the first shoe, it's definitely worn a lot. I'll definitely give you guys a closer look on that. That I see. Let's see. The other shoes that don't have boxes now, these look either very near dead stock or now these are pretty, I would say these are probably 6 out of 10 Jordan 1s, 12, size 12, and a Jordan 12. Oh, okay, not bad. These are, I would say these are pretty much, ooh, the creasing on these are pretty bad. It's old Air Force One box. I would say the box is in pretty, not that great condition. You see, this one is a size 12. Yeah, I know these are not gonna go for a hot amount. These are worn also. I would say these are probably 8 out of 10. Not too bad. Oh, okay. So these are the Master 12s, and these are also used, but very clean. Weird thing is, box. These are the Master 12s. I actually really wanted these when they came out, but I just slept on them, and I'm like, and I kind of contemplated on if I wanted to cop these or not. But these are pretty sick. Definitely 12s are go pretty quickly. 8.5 Master 12s. Rep box here. Now we have 4 more shoes, and so far it's not going high as I expected, and definitely the count number is not up there. This actually is a great looking shoe. It's a Jordan 12 Cool Grays. Hopefully these are dead stock. The cool thing about these beater boxes is you don't have to check for the authenticity. They're all real. So I'm glad on that. The box is in pretty pristine condition, and hopefully these are new. looking at them, they are not. Looks like they've worn it once or twice. Yeah, the creasings are pretty bad. There's some toe creasing, a little bit of dirt here. The bottoms are not too shabby.
The Belugas, 350s, all brand new. He guaranteed 3 Yeezys that are brand new, so excited for that. There's that right there. Alright, and the next shoe is a V2, also 350. Alright, comes with a sales receipt, but it says, from Soul Supremacy. It says $87, that's crazy. For Belugas, 2.0s, a size 9 also. These right now are not going for a high amount, so man, I'm just not sure on what everything is worth right now. And obviously another 350 Beluga 2.0s. And this one is a size 10. And this one was from Chic. And this one was it. And that's everything. Now, how do I feel about the box? I'm not sure if this is $1,700 worth of
shoes, so I'm not sure what this column says, but out of 1 through 10, I would say probably a 6. I'm kind of skeptical on all the shoe profiting. So knowing whatever this says, yeah, that's the BeaterBox, $1,700. I think the next BeaterBox or Hypebeast box I'm gonna purchase is from Soul Supremacy, but they actually got into a mayhem at their office. Someone kind of broke in and made a huge mess. But this box is from Kicks Are For Us here. So yeah, am I happy with this box? I'm not too sure about how I feel, but yeah. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this BeaterBox series. Until next time, we out. Peace.
Get money. New money. Hey.
Rich boy, sell it quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some G's on that bitch.
So, like you can see, that box was $1,700, and like, there's no money. There's no money into it. The cool grays, I would say they're 7 out of 10. I would probably have to scrub them down. I mean, the creases for the 11s are pretty much, you can't do anything about it. I did get 3 Belugas 2.0s. I think 2 size 10 and then 1 size 9, which is like $325 to like max like $380. A lot of like the stores are selling for like $440, $450-ish. And so there was yeah, so I'm like coming out negative, and so I hit up the guy, and he said he's going to send me something special, so for all the time being, because even the shipment was late. It was like a week late. So I hit him up after that, and I just told him, hey, this box isn't worth the $1,700. So in the second video, oh my gosh, so it was supposed to be the black cement 3s. I got them a week and a half early. Now these are the first Jordans I ever had early, so hashtag slowly coming on the team early. I got the black cement 3s a week early. I was going to shoot the video, and that was a week and a half, 2 weeks that I got super sick. Like the first 3 days I couldn't even move out of the bed because my body was just hurting, and so I just had to kind of cool it down. But I definitely want to give you guys a review on that, and so let's fast forward to that.
Lollipop. But I still got my Glock. New money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big knot? Don't you see the big tie? Don't you see the big reels? Wonder who they hating on lately, baby. This hill. Candy pint, gator skin fish. Call me Dundee. Poke in your hood, I'm the one that you wanna be. Haters wish they could feel the wood in my 83. Ride with no kids, so the motherfucker know it's me. Rich boy, sell it quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some G's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some G's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Real boy, sell it quick. Fuck niggas niggas wanna jet, sit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
I hope you guys enjoyed the Black Cement 3. They're honestly one of the top favorite shoes of mine, other than Jordan 1s or any of the Jordan 1s. But yeah, Jordan 3s are pretty dope, and I'm so happy that Nike retroed the back tab with the Nike Air from there. And so I definitely wanted to show you guys something like fire I got, if I get it open. Now the story on this was on one of the Facebook forums. He posted up there, hey, like, I'm selling these shoes. I'm selling it for $400. And I was like, I messaged him. I was like, hey, what's the lowest you can do? I'll buy it today. Da, da, da. And he said $300. So I said, oh, shoot. $300 for these are a steal. And you can't, if I could pop this box open. I'm a solo man doing 3 things at once, talking to you guys, driving on the freeway, and yeah, so bam, I got the free throw line Jordan 3s. Dude, it's a crazy deal because honestly, StockX right now and all the consignment stores in LA or anywhere in the world are selling for easy $500, and I caught these for $3. Now, these are fire, and yes, they are authentic. Came with the Nike receipt and his story, back checked and everything, and I scanned the barcode with everything, so these are legit. So let me give you guys a closer view on this.
We done deep, hoping you hood, I'm the one that you wanna be. Haters wish they could feel the wood in my 83. Ride with no tears, so the motherfucker know it's me. Rich boy, sell it quick, folk niggas wanna check, shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, sell it quick, folk niggas wanna check, shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Hit the block on some new shit. $1,000 wheels. Can't explain how I feel. Touch a gator on the wheel. Got peanut butter, ice cream, Peter Pan seats. Just got a fresh cut. Now we looking for the freaks. Took a bad yellow bitch. We can drop them draws. I'ma show you how to ball. Middle finger to the loud. So fuck them niggas what they wanna do. Hating on the play cause my legs skate. 22s when I pull up. I'm a punk right at the front. Pouring lean in my cup. Got purple in my blood. I'm a real pimp. Bitch ain't playing like a trick. Just bought a new lick and pack of things on that bitch. Boy, sell it quick. Fuck niggas wanna check. Shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, sell it quick. Fuck niggas wanna check. Shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a
Hope you
Cadillac.
guys enjoyed this video. Another unboxing is coming. I'm probably gonna do like my shoe room and show you guys what I have so far, and that'll probably be my next video, and this will be like a 2 video combined type of thing. But anyways, you know who it is. It's your boy Northwest Kicks coming back at ya. I'm alive, I'm awake, I'm trying to hustle and grind. So until next time, we out. Peace.